This DC motor is spinning a flywheel at high speed. Inside this system, magnet and passing coil generating electricity. I connected two coils in series to increase the voltage, and I'm even sending part of that energy back to the same battery. I also added a mini inverter to test real AC loads. So the big question is, can this system actually balance its own energy? Today I'm building and testing a full energy system using a DC motor, flywheel, magnets and generator coils. I also added a diode and capacitor circuit between the battery and the DC motor to stabilize the system. And finally, I'm using a mini inverter to test real-world AC loads like bulb and small devices. This is not theory. Everything is tested live in real time. This motor is the main driver of the system. It spins the flywheel at high speed. The flywheel helps store rotational energy and keep the motion stable. Now on the flywheel, I attach strong magnets. As the flywheel rotates, this magnet passes close to the coils, and this movement generates electricity inside the coils. I connected two coils in series. This means the voltage from both coils is added together. So instead of a small weak output, we get higher voltage output. This is important because higher voltage helps push current through diodes and into the system. I connected both coil output into a rectifier, and finally the energy is sent back to the drive battery. Now I improve the motor input side. Between the battery and the motor I added the diode and capacitor. This diode prevents reverse current from damaging the battery, and the capacitor stabilizes voltage during motor operation. This helps reduce sudden drop and keep the motor running smoother. I also added mini inverter. I connected the inverter to the drive battery. This inverter converts DC power to AC power. I'm using it to run real load like bulb and small devices. This helped me test how the battery behaves under real work conditions. Now let's switch everything on. The motor is spinning, the flywheel is stable, the coils are generating electricity. The inverter is powering a load. This is the full system working together. Now let's check the battery voltage. Even though the system is generating electricity, even though we are powering real load, the battery is still slowly dropping. So what exactly is happening here? When the magnet passes the coils, they generate electricity, but at the same time the coil resists the motion of the magnets. This is known as Lenz's law. We cannot get more energy out than we put in. So even though we are feeding back the energy, the system still loses energy through heat, friction and resistance. But even though we cannot fully self-charge the system, it's still very much useful. It works as a real generator setup. It can power light, fan and inverter load, and it demonstrates real energy conversion in action. So this system cannot fully charge itself, but is a powerful hybrid generator experiment using a motor, flywheel, coil and inverter testing. If you want me to upgrade this build with more coil, higher output or even a stronger inverter system, comment upgrade below, and don't forget to subscribe because the next build will be even more powerful.